Welcome back to my channel, Cheche here once again, and for today, I'm going to prepare this jackfruit. It's already ripe. Supposed to be I'm going to make ginataang nangka, but now it's ripe. So I'm just gonna cut it and yeah, eat it right now. Thank you to my sister and my brother-in-law for giving me this langka, and I'll enjoy it all by myself. And thanks to my husband for impatiently doing the video for now. He was about to watch the Chinese. Okay, first you have to put some oil in your knife, and also so that it won't get sticky on your hand. Okay, now I'm gonna cut it. And I'm glad it's ripe. Awkward, but I'm okay. Let's try. Oops, jackfruit is overripe. Unfortunately, the jackfruit is already overripe. I made that into a jam. So I have jackfruit jam, and I also boil the jackfruit seeds. Then I can put this in my vegetable cooking, or I can just eat it by itself. Thank you so much for watching. See you on my next vlog. Bye. Shout out Miljura Rose and Nang Jocelyn of Banawa. Thanks for supporting my channel.